Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and I'm really excited to share today's video with you. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me keep making great content for you. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, we have another challenging geometry question. And in this question, I'm going to show that area A plus area B equals area C. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to write is that area A plus area B equals total area, the area of the figure, minus area of this semicircle. Let me show you. This is a semicircle and this is the diameter of this semicircle. In fact, for finding area A and B, we just need to subtract the area of this semicircle from total area. Okay, semicircle. Now I'm gonna consider this side of this right angle triangle X and the other side Y, and the hypotenuse is Z. Okay, for finding the total area, we have the small semicircle here and another semicircle here, and the area of this right angle triangle, which is C. And I'm gonna write all of them. Okay, for total area, we have this semicircle. So the area of blue semicircle is half of PR squared. R is the radius and X here is the diameter of this semicircle. So half of that, which is X over 2, is the radius of this semicircle. So half of PR is X over 2 squared. And if we simplify this, we will have P X squared. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So we have the area of blue semicircle, which is P X squared over 8 plus. And another semicircle that we have is the green one. And the area of green semicircle is half of PR squared, and in this case R is half of Y. Y is the diameter, and if you divide by 2 you will have the radius, Y halves squared. And I'm gonna simplify this to Py squared over 8. So plus area of green semicircle is Py squared over 8. And then so we have this semicircle, and for finding the total area we need the area of this triangle, which is called C. So we don't need to find it. Okay, so let me use this color, plus area of C. Okay, so this is called total area, all of them. Let me use parentheses. Okay, and how about area of this semicircle? Another semicircle that we have is this one. the biggest semicircle with diameter z. I'm going to use pink color to show you. And area of pink semicircle equals half of PR squared, and here R, in fact the diameter is called Z, so the radius is half of that, Z over 2 squared. And by simplifying this, we will have half of PZ squared over 8. So minus, for area of semicircle, pink, in fact semicircle, we will have P, let me use the same color, PZ squared over 8. So area A plus area B equals this expression. So I'm going to simplify this a little bit. Equals P over 8. So I'm going to factorize P over 8 because we have common factor here. So P over 8 times x squared plus y squared plus area C minus PZ squared over 8. And now, as you can see, this is a right angled triangle, and we have Pythagoras theorem, and we can write that the square root of hypotenuse equals to sum of the square root of two other sides. So z squared equals x squared plus y squared. So instead of x squared plus y squared, you can substitute z squared here. So this is z squared. So area A plus area B equals P over 8 z squared plus area C minus PZ 2 over 8, and we can cancel out these two fractions. So the only thing that we have is that area A plus area B equals area C. And we show that area A plus area B equals C. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.